Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Ryobi 18V Cordless Pole Saw or Cordless Pole Pruner. This one has the capacity to cut branches which are 160 millimeters thick, and the blade length on this one is 200 millimeters. It says it's for 40 cuts. I assume that would be with 4 amp hour battery. This model did not come with a battery, and this cost 160 euros in Finland, but I've seen it in Germany, for example Amazon DE, for 120 euros. There are also boxes which include the battery, but that costs a bit more. On the box it also says that it's automatically oiling the blade, and the reach is quite good on this because it has this kind of extension piece. So it comes in 3 pieces. The top piece has the blade on it, and the bottom piece is where you stick in the battery and has the controls. Okay, let's do an unboxing next. So, as I mentioned, it comes in 3 pieces, and yeah, okay, there was a styrofoam here, but I already took that out. So the first piece is this extension piece, which has, of course, power connectors, because the battery is on the bottom part. And if you're wondering, this is not telescopic, so you're kind of stuck with either without this piece or with the piece, so you have 2 options of length. Next we have the piece where you put the battery in. So this piece, of course, also has the power coming out here, and it has a fixation for a small harness. And this third piece is the one which has the blade on it, and this weighs definitely the most. So there is an electric engine here in this part, and there we have the blade. And I think this is the oiling mechanism, or maybe you fill in oil in there. And this is what the blade looks like, 8 inches or 20 centimeters. And this is what it looks like on the other side. And there's some kind of a locking screw here. And on this pole it has quite a few warnings. I guess you shouldn't use it while raining. And then we have this kind of harness here with 2 clips. So, well, it's wider than I thought, but let's see how comfortable it is. And finally there is a manual, and it also came with 76 milliliters of bar and chain oil. And that's all what came in the box. And here you can see the piece with the handle. So there's a trigger here, and yeah, I guess you need to pull and then press the trigger to turn it on, and the other harness strap goes in here. In the video description there is a link to Amazon with this device. So if you found the video helpful and want to support the channel, check out the link. It's an affiliate link with no extra cost to you, but it supports the channel if you use it. I'll leave a link in the description for a demo of using this device, so go check out that next. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.